Hey y'all, and welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. Y'all know how we do it. We get straight to it. And today, of course, I do have to get straight to it because I got somewhere to be in like 45 minutes, okay? I'm gonna do a wear test for you, and I think we got about a good 5 to 6 hours that we can actually have this on and see how it looks. I'm gonna try my best not to blot, not to blot at all while I'm out and about. Let me pop it up on the screen right here and show you guys what it is and what it claims to do. An easy glide foundation for a flawless, radiant, and luminous complexion, both lightweight and long wear. This weightless, water-resistant formula is made with acerola cherries and rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. This formula comes in a variety of shades with buildable medium coverage that will leave the skin hydrated and a natural glow. Keywords in this: vitamin A, vitamin C, medium coverage foundation. So it's not full coverage, but it is buildable. Okay, if you have not already, go back and check out my foundation coverage videos if you want to know the difference between the actual coverages. Okay, so it says to shake well with the top down, so we're gonna shake it well. This is the color Kano. Y'all know, never know how to read these Juvia'S names, but Kano is the shade that I have. It doesn't have a number, so we just gonna rock with that. All right, I've also done a video on the full face of Juvia'S foundation and like eye products, like everything full face Juvia'S. In that video, I did use the previous foundation, and you know that one was pretty thick. She was thick. Let's see how this one looks. Y'all, I'm nosy. I had to see how thick it was gonna be, so it does look pretty thick, huh? Woo! Let's do it. Y'all know how we do. We gonna plop some on the back of this hand right here. Okay, clearly you can see I did my eyes because we gotta go. Oh my God, I got like a few minutes, but this is dried up on my hand. Like, I don't know, I'm still trying to use it though. It was only 2 pumps. It's real thick. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at that color. This looks more like a concealer color. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am gonna put it in the center part of my face. Oh my. When I tried it at the store, it didn't look this light. Oh man. All right. We gonna work with what we got. It's okay. It's hard. I can make this work. Oh, it smells good. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, that's that cherries. Ooh, woo. Okay, cherries. Come through, cherries. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my. What do y'all think of the color match to my neck, to my face? How y'all feeling about it? Gosh, it smells so good. I don't typically do products with scents in them because fragrance is not good for our skin, but God dog, this smells good. It's strong. It is strong. It's a strong cherry smell. So if you don't like cherry or if you don't like smells, might want to steer clear. Just FYI. However, I do like the smell of this. I ain't gonna lie, it smells good. Right now, I just want to know how y'all feel about the color match. I know when I put it on, it looked really, really light. But what do you think from my neck to my face? Okay. I'm gonna use this Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. All right, y'all, this is what we're going with for today. We're gonna go ahead and get up out of here because I am already late. But I know this part was like really, really fast. I just wanted to let you see me put it on, and then I'm gonna do this wear test. So right now it is 2:06. And we're gonna head out the door. And when I come back, I'll let you know exactly how I feel about Juvia'S' I Am Magic foundation, okay? All right, stay tuned. It's 8:21, y'all. 8:21. I think we started at 2:06 or something like that. And this is what we're looking like right now. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Simmer down now, young lady, simmer down. Before I get into telling you guys my thoughts on this actual product, let me show y'all, my little clip of me outdoors when I had my makeup on outside. All right, y'all. So my husband just surprised me with some flowers, and I really appreciate that. But listen, I was outside, and I just wanted to, kind of record so you guys could see what the foundation actually looks like outside. I'm bending over because I don't know if my camera is getting me in screen or not. So I just want to make sure that we are in screen and focus. But it's about what, 75 degrees I would say maybe today, and windy. So we outdoors in direct sun and not just inside, you know, outside. So you can get a true, you know, sense of how the foundation will actually hold up under different elements if you decide to purchase this. And yeah, just leave me your thoughts. Let me know if you've ever tried the I Am Magic foundation, or if you're planning on buying it and you just want to see what it would look like, then this would be a good wear test to show you how it looks indoors, outdoors, and how it's held up so far since 2 o'clock. And right now it is 5:10. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. All right, y'all, how do you feel about my foundation, honey?
Kind of busy right now. My honest opinion, it's nice. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Do you think it's too light for me? No, don't look too light. Does it bleed with my neck?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it look different than any of my other foundations I put on? Thank you for your opinion, honey. I love you. Thanks for the flowers. All right, y'all. So y'all see, that was how my makeup looked when I went outside today, because I did a little photo shoot, and you know, I tried to show y'all what it looked like in the natural light in the sun, because sometimes studio lighting is definitely different from when you're outdoors. So that color match that we saw earlier may have looked a little different outside. So just so you can get a real good idea of what the foundation will look like for you because of what it looked like on me. And then y'all got my husband's opinion for free. I'm not gonna charge y'all for that one. The foundation actually claims to be weightless, radiant, medium coverage, hydrating, all of these good things associated with what I consider summer skin. Because honey, that's how we want to look in the summer in our two pieces. Not me this year, next year. My opinion, I do feel like it's weightless. That cherry scent that we smelled in the beginning, no more. Gone. Gone. It flew the coop as soon as I went out the door. So don't worry about that being on your face all day if that was like a game changer for you as to whether you want to buy it or not, okay? Now, as far as the hydrating goes, I do feel like my skin is not dry. I put on a lot of powders to set my face, but I still feel like that radiant look is coming through. What y'all think? Let me get a little close. What y'all think? Can you see all this glow? Not my highlighter, but this natural glow all up in here and all up in here if I don't move my hands. But all of that is natural glow. That's not any of my highlighter. So I do feel like it keeps me hydrated. I do feel like it makes me radiant. And the medium coverage portion is true. Like I told y'all in my foundation coverages video, whether I can see my mole right here or right here, that tells me if the foundation is actually full coverage or medium coverage. This is definitely giving off more medium coverage. Now, if you ever use Juvia'S matte I Am Magic foundation, this is the same thick consistency as that. Beware, shake it up because it's thick, honey. Shake it up. Make sure you getting the top from the bottom and the bottom from the top. That was the purpose of shaking it up and down. Wore it for 6 hours. You get to see exactly what it looks like on me. Indoors, outdoors. I'll go wipe now. Oh, before I do go clean this off my face, I did wipe my lips off. Like I tried to get the lip gloss off my lips. Foundation comes off really easy. I don't care. I set it with the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. But however, if you can tell, like look around my lips, and that's not lip liner. That is my makeup gone. Like right around here. Yeah. So be very precautious, okay? Now, if you use that MAC Fix It setting spray, your makeup is just not gonna move. So choose your setting spray wisely when you're using this foundation. And also for my girls who use more of like a tint or sheer type of foundation, this would be a good one for you to get in on when it comes to transitioning from light to medium coverage, okay? If you want to get into that medium, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I'm saying. And if you don't, make sure you go back and look at my foundation coverage video, and I explained it in that video. But until the next one, y'all, bye.